Omurobiri okubwatia nigo bekirwe igoro y'imyaka 13 na igo abarinse y'imyaka iyo nigo barinse y'amorokeryo y'abayibuli.
Biyake gima mwanchi umurigeria bigeta senike ya Ndizi TV nebiro binda na ndengo kwaligania asomorobilio bwense iyo bonchereria elinde tobeto kwemanya na leagende takokolekana ase sector iyo bonchereria kondo mwanchi muri nimetenga ase chigwiki echiga ibere chabere chigweta nimetenga na mangana manga bere kagokolekana asense ya Kenya anene chingake tobere tugutwara okorobekana aso kwamereria umusoda w'ikibesa abo mwaka w'ikiri bubere 2024 na boigo mwaka w'ikiri bubere 2025 ndoranga abasabe kegolie kege kemba bagwesoke kigima na boigo gokorobekana asare nene kabage ko nikigwa asense ya Kenya igoli tukulia rero mwanchi umurigereria ndobwato mugeni ase studio oitrabito gusangana era mange habe kago kwa na igoro yo gukina kwebango ngakikora chiko bagokoreta michando ki ase ensemeli obonchire nabo igokorobekano kwiga ngakikwa bere go affect obonchire go mwanchi umulingo kwaliga ni bene elinde tobeto gusanga asobwamo guchaka bona igagwika omoeriri trene kerubo Frida nolyo kweneke buna chibicha nilyo giria gukira sole ase nchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail so ase ensemeli mitandao Facebook sangana into masemo wetera Ndizi TV News Digital ensemeri ya YouTube Ndizi TV News website www.ndizitv.net wego sangana into kerengali kiago wetera sinamba yesimi ya 0792192834 otomanyinga yokobwatia omoroberi kortiangireli bageli gali abene kwaliga ni omugeni ase studio habe kago tomanya na kyakorokwa na ndenga yakorukuruga igasorgo ngorwa gusi na ende abe kago tomanya nga ere no monchereria are by the way ayon sinto to kwadera aso morobiri ga wense yo bonchereria manchi morigereria ekeronga na bagotomanya nga isiko gali nga kyoroche finance bige yare go chu affect obonchereria bwago ekeroma itenga ensemeli bango yabereke gukina anonya nga serikali yabetega gotebanga yabereke guonchereria ebinte binge akulinda sensemo yago anena sensemeli ya ecolevi nero turachikoba tokoligereria aso boime atumanya nga ebintu biri bikuru kinse kiri cyesiko ekere bangera bege kobe ku gali nga kyoroche bokongu barachikoba bokoene kigwa sense ya Kenya mwanchi murigereria eyongati y'ebintu biturabe to kumurikira ase mambi yabona iga otomanyenga haya sensemo yago mbinto kibiri ogotumika nebi bikorosigwa asense ya Kenya gosembiri bikorukorwa ase chinse kiri cyesiko ego sanga na intwe tomanyiga wa sensemeyo adekero gokwana na intwe watutebinga equality ekero compare by the way equality ebintu biri bikorosigwa sense ya Kenya na biri bikorosigwa ase chinse kiri cyesiko ngakire asomoro bile yiga bwense yo bonchereria ebingati ebintu bitrabito gokwana korinde madam karibu sana.
Asante. Bia mwana Frida. Mwancho mutegereria samari tangro ku Dr. Lisa Nyamasege. Omwalimu by profession. Kando nayo mfanyi biashara. Nde bwate driving school e ku Zion Link.
Okay.
School. Autora St. Jude building.
Okay. Yonkora rumura maigeria se cheskuru chobo bonde.
Yeah, inara maigeri na rude se kegetambe 2012. Wikabona ningendrete.
Okay. Kora tomanyingo
Tino mwalimu.
Okay, pleasure. Erewia kabisa.
I'm a professional counselor. And a professional mediator.
Hi, even Devians na yo wakora doctor. Okay. Karibu sana. It is a pleasure to have you in studio. Erinde tobeto gosanga so omwanchi umurigereria iskogali nkaitenga esentundende ka anto chitogo chito kwane rigoro ya driving school ndia.
Actually Nyanza region. driving school cha Nyanza region, which represent nationally. So I'm a committee member at the national level ya Kenya Driving School Association. So bana tukorani kurunza school yani paka Nyanza paka county paka Ivorari. We already know nganda inka itori hit.
Okay. Asante sana so gwikara na studio ana boigo gusanga no mwancho murigerenia. Kurinde ase chigwiki echibere twabere tugutwara amangana mange. Twabere tokoranga ensi ya Kenya ya burukanire. Akato iwete totame.
Lakini rende it happens. Asa mangana ya finance bill. Kero mwaka kere anytime what a budget finance bill in Kobero. Lakini njabete ikawa contested. Again so much. Na abantu na indanene. Ise yonsikia nyingi meka imukanga kai egende ko tuitakire. So lakini kero kuligereria so bwagari. Yene sign buna economy ya Kenya. Mbobere. Kero konyora abantu bari so sensitive kyagera. Kuno toroche twensiga. Egento gekogera naso kana ira na kindemete negero mete kuinire pocket ya nengo sustain ere. Sustain abana bana. So a family ya nengo bere biashara byane ningendere. So kero konyora ore obwate wari. About kuinire ere se pocket yao. Montago taigure ya beso tegera. Ya otenga you will be violent.
Okay.
And that's what's happening in Kenya.
Tukonere kurwa asense mahibuno muonchereria. Ngaki kwaroche finance bill yo mwako yiga yare kwa affect.
Already bunango kwandira sense moyo bonchereri with driving schools. Kegera bono no ndi mono. Konyora twachakire go park. And go home. Ekiagera twaroche this is too much. Na inde tuachakire korore impact mapema buna yacha yetu kwanu finance batakatanga baona ngomenta tore asset tax echigari 2.5% of the insurance whatever comprehensive chikore echigari rengambwate chionsi ngo ikobeke comprehensive insurance bone vale ye ubwabukana ndo bakuna chichibese chine kwa insurance na inde wakani chinde ucheza serikali amafuta na arongo mentale so tukarebe biashara ebi to go chikomentero mwanafunzi school fees anche wote go train ayego kufinyeke senseme abanafunzi abantu batanga ki school ere rigorigoro so bona yabidi uikamu ko taba standard train nense kabisa nereri to train na into to make something na abantu bataba train kwanyora because of competition and all those mwaba bono mwaba vulnerable ko ira ni rigori sepi service yabembe at the same time you don't make business, you cannot sustain rent to sustain vehicle maintenance to sustain comprehensive insurance icho and wakane tax jese sereka na mafuta ntoma maete bone ebidato kutumia monase biashara
na mafuta
asa abantu bari consumables vegente gigechigari it hit us badly.
Okay, biasana sokurwa ebirengerere byago. Kulende ekero koligereria ase ensemeri, sensemeri ende tari asensemo yekigali cyuka mwabera affected. Omo Kenya kawaide bintu mbiroro byabete bigukunwa.
Ekero goteba buna locally manufactured in Tobwati tax they will apply. It applies on Kenya ni kidogo manufacture kira sustain the population ya Kenya. Okoligereria kwanyora look at bread. Ngalo ene megati imagine daily basis megati korosi kwere. Lakini ya koraki? Ya era. So those manufacturers they keep korosi megati bakery they keep korosi megati again and again. Oyo noro mugati umwana wo mutakapi agwikera. Kwa yukiriri gori. Noro mwana wo mutakapi. When we talk about bread is not bread. Anything that is a food stuff. My daily bread. My daily bread. So Kenyans thought you are talking about bread in the real sense you may be meaning food. And you know food is a basic need. So that one it touches the heart of a person. Na kiyo cha sustain obugima abantu aboko in charge of with that tax. And it's on daily. That daily kwanza in a day you consume a lot. And you can imagine how many times that VAT you are sending to the government. Two, saving they got the sanitary towels, the diapers, and all those things. Even though most of them, as Kenya, also go by company, as Kenya, there are very few. And those are consumables. How many ladies do we have in Kenya? Wamama ni wangapi, wasichana ni wangapi? These are things consumed daily. Na chikuwa bekira, that tax. And so it touches on the necessities of a human being. Whether a man or this man you're affected. This lady can buy or can be bought for. So it cannot talk about tax on these basics, everyday the things that we use every day in affect common mananji badly. That's why I told you the moment you put a coin in a pocket you want. Where it is not normal. What happened is not normal.
Okay.
No, they are not even. The children are to spoke now on behalf of the citizens. But those children are coming from homes. That's the voice of a home. That's the voice of a village, the voice of a home, the voice of a family.
Okay. The last time we talked about a finance bill, kigukuna sana imibuko y'abantu especially abantu abiga bakora imirimo babeta affected sana ekero kurigere na ndi round ye asinaro robamigire
those housing levies are there. And by the way, citizens, especially the civil servants and the public servants who are working or pay slips, it is badly hitting on us that we are not saying anything. We are going to the streets, you'll think of so many things. So we don't have the power to voice what our feelings are. These young people, basically, affected indirectly. So they said no. And it's a generation, our generation, we fear, we usually, the fencing government. But it cannot be stomached anymore. That's why you see a generation has risen up that could read what is affecting their family and say, no, this cannot happen. And that is the reason why there's HAPRO, finance bill, president had to concede. Say now this one, and that was the best thing it did. But if there is a way, or I read this taxing on one thing, but it brings a lot of results. When I want to the other time, just talk about fuel. Just fuel. Once we could fuel, we could transport ya parumonda, we can mugati, we could sukari, we could everything. Neye, there is a way technically you've raised it for like 1 month. The next month it is normal. How much money would have raised? The finance bill is in 1 month. In 1 month. And people relax. Yeah, but now when you say continuously, and you are now, manufacturing vehicles, we don't manufacture so much in Kenya. Even you buy a car? Where manufacturing? Extra pan, because of expertise. But we need to go there. So it is a bit different. The situation is very different. People are hit. Businesses are not doing well. Leave alone that, since COVID, a lot of things have happened. Economy, when we talk about a dollar, 130 shillings, that is a very big sign that we are badly hit. But we were hoping that as we move along, our president promised a lot of things. For 3 years, what have you seen? The dollar is going to rise. And we are there watching. And then another one comes again. So we don't know whether it would have been worse or better. But clearly indicated that it would have been worse.
Okay. Kirondo chinga jeria kirubaga tebanga listening from Manama Barin Kingdom goika inka Kisii County no abateti omorobelyo Linet kemuntoa tebanga kura chinse mochichianya cheki ndani kabisa kirondo che Eric kura chinse mochichiatika atebanga Madam Using Wisdom atera kintabwa tetilie talia taboko mwenye gaitenga Eric kwabere gokonyora liete likegima akonde ndo chingambaro robakuboria mabori ko bwatikana na skuru yo Burundia tugochigokorera ngora yo kunerora keigo tomanya kogendera keronde ekero kurigereria asensemende nki era abakenya bago prefer gutumika ibintu biri bikorwa sense kiri chesko batari gutaka batumike biga biko ba manufactured in Kenya.
Number one, again, don't carry kego chaka. For example, let me give you a very good example. Safaricom. Safaricom is a company, that brand, yes, okay, mono. Kwarevune chinde chiko cha Telecom chia fail is in Airtel chira ikereke kwango it's because of legacy again don't kere kego chaka. So in Kenya tuanari tota for example kogora a brand get a product kunsiku tuanyorete tuanya the brand when I want to say for example Everready we got it tuaka iguro toko kina there is Everready ekora bataiwe TV so it clicks in our minding that this is the best this is the best. Now when you bring in the products you're gonna watch it later. It takes time to think as a the product you can give me the same value as the one I've already know. However much you can put it cheaper. Two, we have a habit of compromising on quality. And it's a problem, is a viral problem in Kenya. Any service offered how can I squeeze it a little bit and compromise this quality a little bit? A price, so even when it is cheap, actually, Mukimbizi nchi ajete ndugade bade Menengai. But you know Menengai still stands. See the company Menengai, the company has already gone. So equality area, I'm believing that this is the best quote. Kokoleta Mukimbizi, koko chikosipi kwa nyange kono go affect them. What is this? So in Kenya we are doing a lot of compromising on quality so that we can make it affordable. And you know, there is a class of people that will take that quality, and there is a class of people that say this is the only thing I can afford. I can afford. Despite the fact that na bangi barabe. Classic I can afford. Anyore opportunity rero na nje ntagete kuri umugati type gete. Utuakarire Elliot na tuakarire kare ndera menga Elliot rero yaachire United. Rero yaachire Super Love. Rero yaachire mbangana mangi. But you see someone now who goes for value. Igamenye this is what I need. So where we have a problem is that we have not established in matters industrialization in Agenda far. And two abantu ngo cyabali because you manya tenga ki wanna look at even brewing. People brew beer and all those the wines and all those drinks, but what do people do? They still get it from outside. I think I know this test umontore class here. I think I know this is the best. There's one who's looking for quality, there's one who's looking for quantity and even the prices. But the majority we are down there. But still you find annual opportunity and that quality could serve better, that's where they will go. So Kenya, we should work on our quality. One of the fertilizers. What happened? Yeah. It's our own. Convince we can now have our fertilizers here and we buy. Farmers cannot, they have lost trust. So it is always because what makes this thing, it's out of greed. I want to do business and get more. That's the attitude of Kenyans, unfortunately. In that attitude, I can make more with the quantity and get. I can compete. So we are going on competition. A driving school, maybe another one and another one. If I go for competition, be sure quality will be compromised. The quality of service.
ekero kurigereria nonyene bintu biri bikoreta kora sinse sirjesco ata for example mutumba okonyara ngano eriguriria ndire nsekegima engiye ko ere bintu bikorosi gwa sense ya Kenya bikoba expensive.
So it's actually the processing cost. Manyete in the developed nations already, some of these things they have gone far, they have developed already. Even the processing, they have stabilized. The machineries for your industry. I need to compensate and recover before I start giving people on the prices on the so a price I don't know how we can compare definitely here it will be expensive and two quality whatever it will be different so not there is already what you know there is something new on the world then Kenya can go far we start it avocado not many countries use it but we have a product tuko na ndizi mmekuja na ndizi. There are products that we can make that are unique. Unique even out there. That one we can go well. But when you already have something and don't compromise the quality here, what you are telling people is that go and buy the outside one. Yours go still here. That's how we have another problem. So we have to engage and we have to improve on our quality and we have to take care on the population. The population of Kenya is so much. That's why the foreign countries, investors, go invest in Kenya. And actually, in the East Africa, we are the best. Whether we are going to protest and all those things, people still admire
Kenya.
We have that favor. The favor as a country that we should utilize. Yes.
Ekero kurigeria madam ekero kurigeria ebinte bigabano bikuru kuro chinse chechesko mbabete bakwanekya nga eco living bachikobeka. Kwanekya nga e-tax bintu biri bikocha finished products oikabibekero bimenterwe bango. Kerekende noro chinga mbichigu affect obonchireria since ya Kenya.
Definitely. Definitely. When we maybe it may shift our attention which is saving to manufacture locally. Again, to build our nation to accept what we give, but you can only affect a small class of people. Zero mileage is 9 million. Japan 5 million. Someone will go for 9 million of that class. What I need is the best.
Ratio a bit.
I think the reasoning.
Yeah.
So we actually looking at different minds. There are minds that can say, fine, this one has made it affordable for me, let me go for it. And we have that population in Kenya. But this one, narrow experience, if I go for this, I know finally it's more costly. Whatever, let me go for higher ones and for all. And you see, those are the minds that we are looking at. So whichever way we are doing it, whether we have those levies hiked or whatever, there is also the different reasoning capacities that we have.
As much as the locally manufactured products, kirekenda sense moyaga ibuno monchereria engikelioro chenga eserikali era akore esire chikampuni chigachire ense ya Kenya at least chigro.
Probably the idea in the minds the Kenyans say government when bad get to go raise the vehicle whatever levies no go promote our products. But you cannot promote a product that is not promotable. That's the problem. You cannot force me to go and buy a product that I can see it doesn't give me satisfaction. You had a problem. So we have to do something, refining. We have to do something even in our... So the government first has to invest in these local manufacturers. Talk over there, give us a product when you don't support them. That's how at my own capacity, I'm able to manufacture this. So, I improve on the product, equality standard, then all of us will match there. So the problem is, let the government first support the manufacturers. when you are putting a lot of tax on them. But they want to tax into this much. I see again they shy away. They are like, we have to compromise on this. And maybe that's a sole investment. What I've invested for long is my driving school. Then you are telling me, I want to finya you kidogo hapa, ndorenga kyogo. So you see, you are killing my morale. And literally, if you saw the last 2 months, people in this business, who wants to buy a driving school? Who is buying? That tell online 4 of them in a day. Another day 4 of them. I'm selling vehicles because it is not possible. You are not sailing through. It only calls for the government to interact with these manufacturers. We want quality. They get the quality. Like in these people, what they can do, if they cannot make it the best, the government can even tell them, we are sponsoring you to go and check our benchmark. Go and benchmark wherever this product is made. This is how I'm running my driving school. I should also interact with others. How best can also improve my driving school.
Okay. Yes. Like karakulia chinga kichiri chuburere bwa corona. Ntwale gukuna besa directly. Karakulia circulation of money ya betekeko transactions wana serikali ikaleta igakinya. Andiko rochera undie mbata gete commenta kereke neno.
In fact, as in transactions, that was very, very key. During COVID, online became free. Even transiting from free, convince Kenyans banking is free, M-Pesa to bank is free. Then after 2020, I think after 2021, a normal life. Na inde ikafiringa na tumeanza kukatwa hii pesa. So now you are conscious about the transaction fees. And now again, that's 2 years, not 1 year. And we are again touching on the same. And what are you doing daily? If I check your transactions for this week, count only the transaction fee. I did it even for myself. It's horrible. Someone can live on that much. I've spent 5,000 on transactions. You are buying credit. And they have also brought there is an interest that is coming. We're not going to go transact, there is an interest. Total them up. Salary. So that tells you what? That is a high cost. As much as someone also is benefiting on the same. The company is benefiting, is doing good, but how many people benefit from that much? Yeah.
Okay.
A challenge, but those transactions, it's okay. It's only to consider like whatever you want to improve on or to add on this, let it be reasonable. You know, when you deal with masses of people. Again, don't get supposed to according to transaction in 1 minute. 1 million people are transacting in 1 minute. 100 shillings only. And each is 30 shillings?
30 shillings.
How much is that? 30 million. In 1 minute?
1 minute.
In 1 minute. That money goes where? Safaricom. How many people can hand that money from? So people will say, tunakoniwa, tunaibiwa, and they will reject this thing.
Kirikende buna serikali gukinia chibange chiga sensemo ye transaction cost. Ndo chukuire nerere nkakiri yakaroma ite kwari konyara abantu bako gacha chibesa inse ye chimate. Neseme you agera chiku affect Kenya.
Told me akaniambia madam, hakuna kuweka pesa kwa bank. And you see, this finance also touched something about your accessibility. The accessibility about your accounts, your personal account, bank accounts, and pesa accounts. People had prepared themselves. Omondale mete nyumba esa kwa chibesa bank kiagende sikegocha. And you know, a finance bill would have not worked to improve whatever they want, the government wants. So big. You know, this is a system. People want a system. Kenya is system. Abantu bagotema go shift to a position where they avoid depression. So abantu baruta kuranjiwe senyomba. Abantu baruta go transact on M-Pesas. But they know this one is omonta kuira literally ngatigandi ne gali ko bebese yase kwenda koge. Because if I go transact is the same as 99 and call it into whatever. So they will come to the banks physically. So people would have adjusted in a way and the impact that was expected. Yes, that's actually the impact of this finance bill. It was the government would have thought that this would have given us this much, but now a population let me also adjust to avoid this cost. I don't mind. The cost is okay because if I consider my time, it can be paid by the cost. So there's a population that would have adjusted very well to avoid it. There's another population that would have said, fine, it's okay for me because I can don't go feel about it. That is the difference. So still the finance bill stood the test.
Okay.
Not been one.
Okay, ntetora wetera gabo turasosa umutima ko mukigo tukwira na no tumanyenga buno kurobeka no kuiga kwa bere ko koleka ntorli binte binge bigo saliwa kero kende ngo affect kere economy ya Kenya na ndi chi investor nchiroro chire isiko gali maybe bataite ko invest in Kenya kero kende mbao boye go chako gacheni bo yabo gabo go to skatonyegero mwanchi muri eria teto sio miase chiduka ke igo tukwira na ntobe tugosanga amange.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi Kuikira bono ayabunu mwagachi kwa manyire duka okugenda kujya ibintu byose biriyo gukorera imirimo yawo. Osmo Traders Limited nigo babwate kitali cyo kwaranse ase nyumba yawo nabo igogobeka sinyasi bune babu egikoni living room nabo igo ekikobe kwesiko babwate sanitary wares ubuna chising chibakurichezi cyo cyonsi showers towel holders soap dishes racks mirrors na hand basins chirangi cyonsi kiriya kikuburukanibwa ne computer nabo igo kiriche spray paints no chire babwate keyboard ubuna chips and boards MDF boards na chip boards ebinto au byo gukora plumbing buna PVC joints, PVC pipes, na chi water taps chonsi, no chire. Boigo, na bokugura chi curtain rods, hood screws, chigulu chonsi, door locks, chi pipe wrench spanners, screwdrivers, banyore, old Sansura building, angena Kisi main bus stage, gusua Kisimi, ase namba, enoti sano nebire, eye mokianda, inye isano, enoti inye isano nemo. Osmo Traders Limited. Customer satisfaction guaranteed.
Omogusi ine kwabiri gukuriye skuru ya asura bikira umwana wo cingekero cingiye cy'amasomo bono eskuru ya Sister Michaela Girls Secondary School yuko tukase bara ya Kisi Oyugis angena Cardinal Tunga High School musocho na riri chibuli yao niko babwate birasi biya ebigare asabana bagosomera buya ebyo birebe cenu asibuko babwate nyomba cyo kurara cingiye nande cincenu kirage aboro kiko bagosoma se skuru ye niko bali abacenu nabo igo babwate cimbo cingiye kirage abali bagosoma se skuru ye niko babwate bomanyi wiguro ase otawwenga mwano takonyora semi cingiya mbabwate computer lab eyurengiya asabana bagutumeka ci computer kwemanya nabo igo gosomera mbabwate boigo science lab asabana bagokora megirige science eyubwate bintu byonsi asumwana waranya rumanyi wigoro niko babwate library ngiya ase bitabu bicire ebyo umano aranyore kisemi elyo asaserie asajiga nigaragiya ako mwana mazingira maya yogosomera niko boigo bagukina ci talent cyabana asibabwate scouts music group nemecheso ao buigo nigo bagokinya omwana kebo Kristo asamange batari na kubakira esimi agirira muretu omwana anyora amasomo aigoro.
Naona ngoma imeshika sana.
Lazima nitese, ndio maana nimeileta studio.
Karibu E-Generation Studio.
Asante.
Walai, nani kama msukule, miezezeta, vile vitamkuli. Nipete na such kind of love, baby sing unanipenda.
E-Generation Studios igo babwato bokorera ubuya bunabono mbabwate photo studio asura kukibica cingiya cinsera ekyo abantu bawo baragusunze asama tukare bosyo mbabwate DJ Academy asoko bunduso muzike na umocho ganya cingero cingiya ekyo abantu bararengurya mariko mbabwate audio studio iyo egasoke amariyo y'amakironoko nagaiga mwanje ari nayo gukora bare live streaming na wigo mbabwate video shoot asibabwate tikamera cingiya ekyo kigosoke kibice cingiya kweli komenta nayo mbabwate sound haya iyo erengiya asemesangerekano banyole asenyumbere ya Twin Towers lirongo lya gatano na kabiri yani 7th floor ibiyumo Kishi.
Karibu E-Generation.
E-Generation Studio aiga utapenda.
Esukuru y'okwegerya Burundi bwa Kigali ya Rocky Driving School nige gukomanya buna mpabwatu bukorera ubya asibirengo ao byo Burundi bwa Kigali nabo kwegera ekerengo gya A2 B1 B automatic B professional C light track D1 echuchire PSV Uburundi bwa Kimatatu cha 14 seater D2 PSV Uburundi bwa Kibus CE heavy trucks F PWD cy'abantu bari no barema bugomba bwate short courses cha BCD na B executive ubuye bw'ukwigira na Rocky Driving School mburiye buna ibirasi byabo nigo biri flexible cingagicere cyonsi urataka rituko nigo bagosomya umwaka mugima aborokia babo nigo banjire n'icyumbe kiriye gikurigero y'ubusera b'Uburundi bwa Kigali gia NTSA buyo nkwigirure asense mu yemesa basic mechanics basic first aid na yanda mange batalire imeyo rugongurugusi asebali imeyo muchukisi asenyumba ya Market Plaza irange na Uhuru Plaza chinsage chinde nigochire asemeche ya Nyakoe ensemo ya Kiogi Junction na boigo asumucho Kilgoris mbabwati special offer bono asebali bakolire ekerasi ya form 4 mwakere simi umu manager Rocky Driving School. Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Yakigimo mwanchi umarigeria maga yogosiomia ase chiduka keigo na ndengo kwarigania togenda gusanga ase omorobelio wense yobonchereria chinga kitogenda ko morikera anena sensemo ya uchumi ya Kenya ensemo yebango ningikiria serikali ibonete kuimukia soko nikenga yabereke gotinya obokoreri na boigo gukini obonchereria asense ya Kenya mbio mono sana asbali mugenda togotobwati asensemo chiche mitandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital YouTube Ndizi TV News website www.ndizitv.net na bego gwetrase namba yesimi 0792192834 bego na bagusanga n'intu asense media WhatsApp channel ya Ndizi TV News Digital tobe togosanga ase obwamo kuri ndeke tukumurikira enseme yiga ya Gen Z torore bakwesoke sana timetie tia basaya baiga ngakikwaro che bange yiga yaberige ko ba affect sana
Uma that first na banari kuminga ki abana abanga kigente kikyaba maiga no one mobilized them no one we are parents abana baitu majenti abana utubwate nyumba and you know these are children back by university back or university abana they are waiting to join university that generation is something there's something they have in common they are all onliners but abana bali kuna dokwana they can be even more than 20 million but online ba communicate in 1 minute information keroyo these are our children. Let's say for example in Jeno Moigori abana bane mbande ko sebatano no Moigori onde batano. Are you seeing the population? Two of us, we have 10 Gen. Are you seeing? Bona banaba, if you touch anything, geko babuza. This is a force. And another man who told you go ngaki, don't get a banana bago consume a lot. For example, my son is 22 years. Nchetinda abeka wifi nyumba lakini iga chita kandenga mom I have my money I've saved go bekande wifi bono ngebori naki omwana cyanga cyabulita kubora
ndagera yabulita kulya
omwana ndenga it is 90 I ndenga more support yake but I can be able to sustain it. That tells you what? That's what they are consuming most. It's not bread. They don't care about the food. It's not about the food because the food. It is about what is touching them. These children, basically, their interaction with online, it is 98% of their time. The protest again to carrying keep in communication again to kyuka kware ko baura ko calm down no tiona ko baka na masasi tiona ko da masasi mo ko ita bana bosa it is just this one the reason being that's where they meet so online a tax care or go any online consumption definitely bana bambari ko tegera. Some of them are innovative. But rather than being idle, let me get online, we can be doing something. Even sharing ideas online keeps them busy. You find them online, someone is not able to do something, or floating, how can do for me this. My one is a deal, is paying you what, and those children are making money. Those children are making money. Kuna data bundles, whatever communication costs. It will definitely touch them. You know, it's not easy for me every time when you are working online. But I feel the pinch. It's because when you think online, you can see it. You can parande, you can see it. Lakini yere, ukoka, uragera, also a bedroom yae. Lakini yere busy. You may think man are busy on the phone. And so much of the consumption is from online. So definitely the government, when it's touched the online costs and tax, then they were not to keep quiet.
Hai keruguri no Gen Z yekera bari korobekana barenge so creative. Vitabu mbere bibasomete high school. Tracing back the Gen Z generation, this generation, from what they have been consuming. Even the books, it's exposure books. Because we were exposed to what the government is. Reflect.
In the time when they are schooling, they are naive. But when they come out, when your application, you knowledge, fascina, literature,
why you apply?
There is a government, those who benefit, personal interest, and then kuna common mwananchi. Two, in our school system, education system, we abolished disciplining by corporal punishment or something like that. Manye take into career. It reformed the minds of the youth. Ngabono, you don't need to cane me. Let's reason out. So the minds started developing on the lines of reasoning.
Yeah.
On the ones bono iga, at these generations, the alpha this generation is a generation that you don't pressure.
Hataki pressure.
It's a generation. I'm a teacher and I meet and I talked quite so many of my students, not even alone in my school alone, many other places.
Okay.
These children, the best approach, look at them like people with brains. Approach is the best. If you look at them with a pressure, it will only take a little time. So the bongo and they're very sharp. Abana the back in there on an online setup. One or two say to your information and hourly. You know, initially you go to the library, you get the books and you read.
Yeah.
Nowadays, even me, I don't go to the library now. I just go, I'll Google here and I get all the information I need. So for them, information is at the fingertips. So these children are more informed. These children have known more than what you know. Like for example, when we were talking about the bill, when the president refused to sign the bill, I said I've printed it.
Okay.
Did you see the reaction?
Yeah.
Sisi wajinga. Reject. Let the bill go back to parliament. And there is a unanimously but for now they will are waiting if these 14 days go, this bill will start working.
Okay.
So still, they have not calmed down. That means the government has to do something. And you see, when you deal with many people, don't make assumptions. Sharia ni Sharia. People trust more what is in black and white than what is in verbal. So, our assessor regarding our Gen Z is still quite sober. It is ready for anything. And it is a movement. It is a time of reforms. Now you know if Lister, I want to buy, maybe for example, women rep, I will know this is a responsibility.
Yeah.
I'll not go for my personal
interest.
Those things are attractive, Yeah. The power is attractive. But I'm telling you from this generation, where we are headed, they are watchdogs on the government.
Okay. Arasenga no ensemo y'ababunge riri tanganikero babete bagokora mu njiri ya se finance bill anene ribatete ngabarusi ribona se ebanga so mugati actually so online abate banga abana bamba maitinge finance bill go kwanera bakamenya kwenda akaruse Klaus Sinkero roki ari go kwanera igoro yendemero like how can you tax land?
How can you? See now we are owners of our land. You are making us like America, and where you lease, you're doing it for a given period of time. So, entere na ibore to say to na nyori say to buri mu bwatata manyetenga mirere na mirere ingenda left right home is always one wachakire batebya bantu that land even you are not permanent so then it leaves people batabwati anything on that land amayetenga ense yerende inkibwa let me tell you there is that confidence that comes to you as a citizen in lakini ngenda America home is always where I will find it America na bako genda amenye that land for some time na bako change so you don't have a permanent that's hata utazikwa pale but you see home is where I know hata nikikufa leo anything mwenye ko protect wenga yote say to nero I will be buried in our land and then you touch it
and you expect people to be silent.
See, it have started gradually in the cities and all these places, towns, let's have these lists. You lease it. It's understood.
Yeah.
Even while in cities we know we lease. When you're 100 years, come in like I can renew. They can renew. But no monto, or chiro go to Moscow, or many thing I can afford to understand these things. Like in your monto, now the I take a go over them. I might think I say to tell you. I have big land. Oh my god, typing and I know what I'm conditioning at that say, like if I want the government can take it. That is totally for now. It's a bit early. It's a bit early for Kenya. Let's do it for maybe in bits, maybe from big cities and involving people who understand about this thing. But take it on Guzo Mundo, Paka ground, general Kurugari, was a cancer. Mundell thing about Nango to Italy. You see, it was all over. I was surprised to see even older people supporting these young ones.
Yeah.
I saw it in Eldoret. What does that tell you? Land. It says it.
Muhimu.
And the youth are complaining about the online taxes. We are complaining about food, this generation. There is an older generation that is saying, you cannot uproot me from this place.
Okay.
So the opposition grows huge.
Okay. Aha, kubatikana bano no kurubika no kwiga kwa bere gwa kwene kigwa sense ya Kenya. Kirikende impact ki kubwata so bonchereria.
A very big impact. Orochukuru physically, basically through the government on the surface. For example, in my business, I didn't operate normally.
Okay.
Egali okuruchika likurusiura abisa.
Ora nchi kwa mage.
Tebi abana ngaira ngora, tora labunegende kegenda. You are then in the house. I can operate in so many things in a day, but when I'm now closed to, let me stay and be indoors. Monitor what can happen. What is where are we now? Number two, on this generation, Gen Z. That's another door that has opened for them. That is not what. That's actually most of us may not see. Now things will not be as usual. The government should expect a lot of opposition. Even you as a parent in the home, it will not be business as
usual.
But discovering a kumbe, we can shake the country. We can stop every business. Now, the president, even the bills that are going to be formed in future, they should embrace professionalism. They should do further public participation, civic education, ekorwe isaine na higento kira koreki kira etigwe. But otherwise getting at tunawekelea what we are in power and there is nothing this one must pass. I'm telling you then we should be in for something. These young ones, even them, business has changed in their minds. Now by we can do this 1, 2, 3. It has gone deeper into them. We don't have a job in Kenya now. They will think business way. And I think that's a positive part of it. We can connect all of us, the 40 million or whatever million children that we are, Gen Zs that we are. That is a strong power. That connection, they are going to share now. What can you do best? I have something here. And you know, this thing is not, it's not Kenya now. These people are connecting from Kenya to the diaspora. And now it's a diaspora thing. And that's actually a plus. It's a plus for this thing. That they are opening up their minds. They'll be sharing more. They'll be exploring other things. To make these connections or connectivity it can also improve even on our economy. Remember, there will be more now. And on your tax in Chile and Gabonega, there will be a lot of tax that would be raised because now there are more on this. I happened to see part of their forum. I saw these children all the time. Someone is giving a view. We can do this, we can do that. And I was like, these children, a million of them can communicate in 1 minute. That's already money that is being spent. For you to communicate online, you have spent on data. So money has been spent. These children have even raised their own money through this online. And you see, in another way, that is still business. Lakini rende generally, for the generations each millennials, whatever and below, it affects because you stop what you are doing. You don't have an alternative way of doing it. But these people can say, we stop this, but we can do the other way around. That's why we need to embrace these online activities in our institutions. Because we are not able to open school in a good time, then we can go online and meet these people there, and we can teach them online. But now when we have not embraced that, the digital, then we remain there waiting. Physically, when are we going to be in class? So there is a lot that has changed in this business. Nairobi, some people lost a lot. And you know, now the wounds joined. This Gen Z, no, you have got their intention right. You cannot miss those ones who are hiding and saying, at least we have got an opportunity to break into shops. A lot has Parliament take over spoil like that. For someone, it's business. Yeah, I'll be given a contract. That way. For that one, it's business. Kera will now think and Ken and all what they will think that will need to be constructed. That's still business for some people. So it is an exchange. There are those who are mourning, have lost this. One Montanaro, the supermarket, the way they. Nyeri, you saw it in, where did I see that again? You know the looting, Who that one person, the owner, suffers most. But he has employees. These employees are families. You see that the life is not going to be the same again. Before we are over instated, for this month, but don't let us stop. Insurance, statement, building, and all those things. So this person has suffered. So it affects us all round. Anything that is not normal must affect us in one way
or the other. Ekero kuligereria investors bono kura chinse chiri chesiko kero kende mbatu haro ubwo barorenga bonensi ya Kenya tebwati environment umuntu arakore business.
It is two way. Some are happy that Kenya is coming up. Some are like, yes, Kenya should be let that kind of democracy to if you try to interfere with it, the international world is watching. And the international world is supporting democracy. A big anything as a democracy tampered with, you cannot get the support of that. So they are watching. So for them, is a move in improving our democracy. And they're saying, yes, once you get there, you're okay. You know, there's a friend who was telling me, a friend from Tanzania was telling him that, Kenya, we are wondering how brave you can be. You can face the president. You mean you can attack the president? You can attack the president. For them, you don't even, ata jina raisi, you don't mention it annually. But in Kenya now, democracy, that tells you that even the president should know that that seat is for the people of Kenya. Now you are aware. You know, you are aware. Now, kumbe haikuwa mamlaka yangu, because I saw a clip where the president was saying, this is William Ruto's government. And then now the youths, they had to look at that. How is it your government? Like, how? We are the article 1 of the Constitution. The powers belong to the people, the people of Kenya. So you are seeing that these demonstrations to the international world is a plus for democracy to improve. And once democracy is fully established, I'm telling you that nation, personal interest will be disappearing. I must deliver. If I don't deliver, I have no business in this. That is it. Corruption will come down. That's democracy. And when now you look at from the other side, if the international community are running away from us, those investors will find a better ground when democracy is complete, when it's okay. a ground get back on my thing about no my properties or my investment is secured. Now, Baba, no, you go to Tama for now. But once we established, Kenya is the best. They can't go. They go to Tanzania and come back here. Well, the value of a shilling in Tanzania, we are so much higher.
Higher, yeah.
Got to America, you know. The Somalians and the surrounding East African community, they know Kenya is a small America.
Yeah.
So we shouldn't lower ourselves. That's why any governance should look at taking it higher, so that we still maintain our standards as Kenyan. That's where we are. I shouldn't be thinking about going outside Kenya when Kenya is supposed to be the international word I'm looking for. Why it not that we are constrained? Like further on, I worry about manufacturing within to create more jobs and all those things. It has not happened. So every year, as we exit graduates and from 4 leavers, we need to have openings where they can be. That's why the government was saying is going round to look for placements outside Kenya, which still is a plus for us. But we should find a way. We should find a way. Abana bomaite. Kele sabuna bana to kala sai abana bai gudu na 100,000.
Yeah.
Buna to go goro mwaka bana ku history graduations. Where are they going? Already Gen Z umewaona. Vile wako wengi.
Yeah.
So that is the challenge that we have, and that's why the government should now make sure that we make our nation appetizing for the investors.
Okay.
So that when the investors come, then our people will get jobs.
Ekero kuri elense ya Kenya mostly bintu biri gukora ngotege mere bango sana igega sense me te chigwiki chibere oisa kuri no chibesa babete bagosangereria chabere chikoira nanse gima and probably maybe tukoriri kwerende ria rikorobekana mbasangerere tim atobere tokoranga ngabwatani mbaroro konyara bagukabesi ense ya Kenya chibesa kirikende ine ba affect in the future mbachikoyo guchilon skoro chense chichesko.
Our own taxes are affected daily. Ntwasangire kende ndombia sarigete which because the parliament is going to be renovated. It is still our tax, so it is tasangireti. You know, some things are just fate. And these are like we can't avoid them now. It's done.
Yeah,
it is done. And in the our loanings, the way we are given loans, we shouldn't make it like we can't survive without them. Again, to get a problem, I have gone to the bank, na savire loan. Na chile na take emiaka na tengo na chuelo ni emiaka janga kohera. Kwa maana kubolinga kikwani loan interest inaenda aje. Accountability. And once those loaning institutions, Kenya is always, they will always want us to be captive to them. The president has the prudent idea, if we are able to avoid these loans, that's a prudent idea. Because once one of you loan me money, definitely I will be fearing you. When I see other people loan me, I will be fearing you. Definitely I will be like, I want to, so I become a captive to you. That's the problem of those loanings. Two, not to have a loan like that. You always relaxing aki hata tukishindwa ku raise tax, we can still loan and we can still the way we use our monies, even the loaning institutions, it's only that they don't have those powers to question us directly. Now, how do you spend this money? This is the Kenyan government supposed to follow up and say, we have been given this money, institutions here with this money, where it's going to be used, make sure it is monitored. Accountability. So, corruption here in Kenya, barely so much of the things that can take the money, that the money is not spent on what it was borrowed for. Then you see they have no much control over it. Then they say, fine, this is your nation, we'll continue loaning you. We'll continue paying a lot of interest. Then we are now, China is on us. America will be on us, Germany, Britain will be on us, and then we still remain under colonialism. Indirectly, under colonialism. So any governance should find a way that we can reduce that. But we also bring ours. Yeah, we bring ours. Our tax, but even when you want that tax, read the signs of the times. There's a time that you should not even say anything concerning money. Get 130, and you still bring something that is more pressure, people will always oppose. Try to make it better, and then you start like loan SGR. It's being paid, but when we it ndota bunga kibone lo nitwa begitega ya edite bone no yakera ya edite kuruga igabono we want to start having this money as a saving the express whatever the express highway ndiye gocha kwaera ndito maitele okay Thika highway ndito maitele ni ya edite so those accountabilities and you see if we have leaders that can bring this accountability to book and they go followed and they're current. That's where our Gen Zs are going to help. They are now monitoring that. When we talk about a pay bill, we start paying because they want to know when is it ending, how much do we have to hear them, and when are we finishing. And you see, that's why I told you it opened another chapter. It is not going to be business. You who is a leader anywhere, the Gen Zs are starting to watch now. You will find them on your door. What are you doing on this? Yes.
Kabisa. I think topic you by then in Tampa and Toko Yekora Rega and I producer and Eric mentre chingaki again kulinde chingaki cheto chato nyorire antete madam munko eri bagalia bene kegera narora mabuli gali igoro yeskuru yo bubundi kerekende nabokora yikunera igoro alinde na tochitoli chingaki chinde o choto eresera subwa gale maybe naboko totebia ngayere located aningikeli montaga ni riego so ase skuru eyo
driving school nekoro ku Zion Link driving school ere in Kisii na indengo twara tore classes in the field twara chire different places of the county to train abana where need is mnabonda gogotoka ori gosenke gogi and mara abantu no embatano we can bring the service there. You are in Kenyanya, you are in Etago, wherever we bring the services there, but we are basically our headquarters is in Kisii St. Judy building. Now in our services are very affordable and quality. The quality I was talking about. I better train 10, but you're a rockaway driver. I have given you the service because it's 3 years. Quality is 3 years. Once a mess, it's always a mess. And we are affordable rates. You only need an ID. Kibande utakeire. For 18 years, watekibande. Come. It's take it na masomo njena chete osenkela si tinyi weti will train you the language anyene matemo with the language there will be translations but those again we have different classes of people that we train but we are college school but we tukugora chigari the Gen Zs na obara we train all those kinds of people and the most important part of this we suit to your program wana bokonyala no wale tsega yese TV to kucha mugaso to my time is between 6 and 7 and we can give the service. My time is between 7 in the morning and 8. We can give. We have that class program. So very wamehitimu tuko na magari yote and you know that I'm updated so much because we are always with the government as we move in this business platform. What we need, where we are, what's affecting us as a licenses. We are informed because we are always keeping track. Yes, so as a relationship with NTSAs, the government, we're already there with them. And actually we are the ones, we are working with them closely with the government. And I'm also part of the frontliners in this to ensure this training facility, whatever courses that we are offering, we must offer the best quality. We don't compromise the standards.
Okay.
The prices are affordable.
Yes, sada. Kero kende tumekaliba geli gali abene kubaliganya elinde bachi banyolera mangere.
Karibu driving school yeto ya Zion Link driving school abayibori toretera abana abasani batagete kugura ekigari we are here to train you kigari kino kitagete kugura na banya bataba mugori gucia
Oi katotarire ekigari
for license orabra babi otanga kikari I should get you open and you move to the next level na then to bwate ben students bagenda gusoma this license a license ya beire buneke bande when you even outside Kenya a license you are here get a license it can be even a basic document to start giving you a salary so na abari ganirie I send you the building first floor inchororo to train with the best services and with the concerned I'm a mother so I must give the best services.
Okay mete bana mwakorero mutumuko moke actually Monday or Tuesday kwera na mwaresho kiorate ya wanafunzi
I know they are watching I have a passion for them and we really appreciate them abana baito bare future you see they are observant they are going to be our watchdogs and even before they are replacing us and I believe they will deliver better than we do we actually own them these are our children no in the streets they were protesting they are our children and actually we pray for them that they embrace that sobriety in any skills babwate make them like connectivity it brings them together to express or to do the best with their skills abana abundo bwate nyumba and the bwate school we are the baba university students na baba college students na baba primary schools or secondary schools this is an investment of Kenya.
Okay abiya sana mbye muno sana sokwira chinga kichiago na boigogo ikira na studio na gusanga no mwanchi umuliye konde mbye muno sana mwanchi umuliye ilia kwa beriko gusanga na ntuko toka chage tomoro bili ikabona igato ikiromo elio nagosemere ko nuno kabere gwesemia mange gwetera o mugeni weli tukolierera kolende mwanchi umuliye ndete taso asensemeri ya kabere ye studio tumirane no monchilionde abekago tumanyigoro yo bonchire bwaye goto skatonyegera morobili bwesabali yo bonchiria ngochera segekeke kerebotyo
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'umuguzi.
Amariogo yemete nigabeire richibwa se amarwaire au nonya na yasinyire ase kinyagitari Supermed Call Center egotoka somo chiobosongo nigotokwegookeria kurwa bogwenya wetrasa marioga yo kurwa se chinse chesko Gurwaria tora marwaire buna ulcers, cancer, asthma na yanda manke ayokoringori wa nech machine chaito
Ngoro Cross Mora daktari kurwe company ya Supermed Call Center egotoka somo chiobosongo igangurwa ritora marwaire amange ande karagwa chine ntogwate chi machine chigokumureka chiarora nkikero bobe tigo kumureka umubiri umugima gwansero mutu mbaka inse na ichigo toteingi kerebo bya marwaire tio bwate twamanya kwa mariogo mwana abani machine yengo murekera yarora mitando kia bwate twaba mariogo itongo ikale mbali neba no mochio keroka neba ngiri goli cia mariogo itona bakugwikera neba Mombasa onya koro ekara wa kiresimi na bukurwari
ikaso mochio bosongo ase stage echigari otwakire simi ase chinamba chiko bwatia 0737746368 Gose 0712526764
Nabantu abange baeteire gana ndi bagwenire igoto twara bwoba bonde bwase kara bwachire use kwaranyura mariogo munali anyagitari kwangire koigubuya morwaire munali ale chronic nkonyarwari tole
Ikanisa ya Light to Life the Messenger Church ngege gikoragwa nere Pastor Job bae nigego kwaligania ase ibada yogo sisenia na gusabira liroba
wachawi wakati wanakamata biashara wanakamata udongo wa mtu Jumapili niko na ibada ya kuvunja kila laana kwa kila familia. Wewe utasema shikia, watoto wako watafunguliwa, maisha yako yatafunguliwa, biashara yako itafunguliwa. Yeyote aliyenenea udongo wa kwako, na mimi nimechukua nguvu za Yesu Kristo, nitanenea udongo wa kwako, na kisha siku ya Jumapili utatoa udongo wako hapa kwa madhabahu, utarudisha kwako, utarusha pale.
Ni Jumapili chitarikia 30 cy'umutinyo wa 5 narimo asa madhabahu y'ekanisa ya gutuka asensemo ya Ngege musocho ekero kogenda raganga. Ni nchuo tosiborwe.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi omurubuli okubwatya nigo kuligiraliwa n'ebigori byonsi.
Mana sana mwanchi omuliyele bitaseni kya Ndizi TV nebiro binde ndete okwaligania asomoro bilyo gwesabali obonchererya astra betokumira nano monchererya bweli tkolya lero ime muchigo songo atomanye ndi achagete obonchererya bwaya nande bonchererya kiwolya gokora mwanchi omuliyete ngwaligani bene ilinde tokotogosanga asobwamo ochakabona iga goika omwele kulinde nabagote gwate sense mochiche mitandao asense ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net tele Frida Kerubo sangana intoko chakabona iga goika omwele kulinde tangalia ni monchire bwili tkolya lero atomanye na kyakorwa na ndembo nchiri kiwolya kara karibu sana
ndiyabona asama leta yonkoro kweli kimoreka seitera machoge chache ikamutonto tirimboke mata kyasagoro kunyamoro bonchole bigwale ngondo fundi obusema yangu yasomo cyose.
Karibu sana nabo tumanyereke iyanga kikigo sona ne cyabaswate ne cyabasacha cyabana egasi ane ngodile cyanga cyose ne egasi somerete. Okay kerekende ndi wacha yeto bosoni obuiga
nara yire myaka naje cyayete mwaka 2007 gutira lakini biyo kanaje cyako byagwa ne bosona na cyagete 2018 mutinyo kabere
nabo ko manyo mwancho mulgererya nkaikuwa nyore tama yigire koro
amagere ana yigire turino magara ya mwari somo cyoma gadi soda bakoro kwa kusiya jambo ndani kamera kwenda kuingia Masakara aseskuru ya Thika Institute.
Okay maiga yoko nyora Masakara kerekenda sinaro no kwara bete ko gukora ukamera gucagwete nenera kwigoro boncherere bwawe
nara kolete magadi soda ndakora Thika Mombasa na bete kitimbere timu mengi na bete kutinyo yo mubeta bagara na Nairobi yani break ya leo mwiso cyugo songo usiye.
Okay aka ko bete ko gutara chinseme cyo kerekende ngyo kare ngere tyo ko kuyoro boncherere ororo bagateba tigocho gwikaso mu cyugo songo
umanya to songo bimubuiga ko chake somewhere because by then na bwate birenge ngakani mtu ali biashara byane lakini wetera okoli konje kana no kuchita one chons experience ngere na gele asina ro ko rube sande ko rubiya bene ngamwa turu karena chini mambo songo ga ganari getu narari getu karakora within town enge ko baro then because of some restriction maybe into the pega na advice yo maswati tukamwa tuteme biashara yetu.
Okay, kwa mimi ko kwana regoro yo maswati kare no maswati era na maite gusona
na kole take chipati nchirara kore chile nchirata kore because yale ko sia ene ngao lakini vende otura abo at least na arisanare 70% sabu.
Okay, ekero kwa matete ngabono no bwate kirenga iri kiga kyogo cha kyoboncherere bwabo kare kende na kiyakeireke
acha nero ngere chitene idea yo na ekaracha na idea yo kanyora ne birenga ni ado financial into ale buya atende tugatema turu abasani baito acha katuru support ya basani pakabuna tuikirega.
Okay, iga tutebingo ekero wasonete yanga yagentangani ngakiya sogeta yo monyene ngakikoigwite
kera nende kwegera yange ndanga naso tene skati kana naso ne skati mwalimu yari akanyerere mbena agambere ese njugwa sonere skati na abo no mwibo kwegera gas so yanga yane mpani yari skati mbena ndabwati kune kenyansa ikere shot korwa buto kama kogenda.
Okay, kerkende buno gukina kwa gocha gocha ngo maitenga no chakobe fundi
yangere ndia Eko sina bwato bango na mechanical engineering electrical engineering nara kalete same beyond steam collecti tinje ko bikole yere na kalete fabrication welding and fabrication kara kare se company ya Tata Chemicals by then ya karikuru magadi soda then kare ya gurna baindi wakateba tura abantu tukanyara ko batugutenenwa kandi tubatenenwa na ndio bongo cha ko gusoni bwacha nenga bantu kwegera for 8 months then nkanyora yasa unanje
kerekende efunde yare go kwegerie mu amanya ine gusinga kimwe ikete mu gacha kumanyana agachaka kurwa maigenge cya seri
mwesko mama yaro ya biashara ibiga so na aligete kifundi balinga bagara and then kende school ndo chimna baba nyakora yakora ka kekera ngari school and then na ko le school nganyanga nimbwate eno awakeiga kurwa gwe kana biasinya kuru moina na basali wale bakanyanga baba ndeka tokoro kiyo chibakonya.
Okay, ekero ko igetere gaso mu cyobosongo ngwate banga bankwara akoletege barua kerkende ngakikwanya techi customer kero ko itenene betebono ko igoro boncherere bwawe
asana ligete nande na musongo gaiga ne anti ya ne bado ya ligete ko bana chika ko igora ubusoni musonga era andi kwa 1 year baada ya 2017 hapa 2017 kurumo chaka no paka batenyu kumi because of some reasons tukadifa kidogo kwa bantu mwanya bantu nalio na mweta aftanasha no mshwati tukagore mashine yabo ilikuwa ito support no musana twagore yabo tukagenda tukachaka ubo bimari banyancho na mwete nyancho ari no byo ari mutwake kare tuwa chaka chikasta machina gasone iro busonga iga nabuba mbwate ti some of them otemba tukakorera sine kwayo ya moyo ya tenene tenenche sana kwa targeters na Christ Landers.
Okay.
Then ngabakorera ko December tukanyora kinyangi abunyomba tukasona Then ka January tukanyanya sawa to sesini tunyore duka ya mali best lobizonic tukakombo.
Okay.
Tukachana machine ile arusna ya kwa bango cha kanuni ko ya ombo kwa kufel makombo Pero tuache taoni na watu bora ni Kenya alikuwa kana na rent. Kwa hiyo na sote na cha kile tu rent ya rent ndio expected to senenge. Kwa sai unari ya saa. Transline Classic riba arenga mona na coach. Bakaba kuriye funde gusoma chianga. Then na apply se bagakoresha sample. Bagakoresha sample ya shot. Baita begasi yani baita but about 200 pieces of shots.
Okay. Bona ilike to gananya naende gocha sense meyiga. Nkyo ta maintain to bonchire rugurugati.
Arabaria bano mete nawe tu achage to bagere. Tukanya gutira, tukanya wala tuikire saba. Tukanya gutira. Place igatokea. Pero yatokea. Na tuacha kuligia sai gas turbo. Tukanya wala ngane nyare. Place nenya kutoa accommodate.
Okay. Ekero kuligerelia chi materials chiaga inga yokorusa.
Material chane ngo supplied match duka chire within Bosongo. Duka nero yo nasiate kwa kusia kwa kwedina. Nero kwa Mboi na Kadenyo. Ne chinde ngo Sisili. Ama ne duka ya mwe kusa George Textile nero.
Okay. Ekero kuligerelia riga sorgo korwa usikere kenda abantu mbaroro kwa bere go kwegere igoro yo Bosongo.
Na ige na ne duka ya na nimba tange 4 abuna nyare ko ba na igere ti bakamanye gasi
okabari
gas.
Okay.
Tore magara.
Okay. Ndume tenga liga soro ngorwa kusichi skuru nchiro rochikorwa amaigelio asense melio bobondi tumetungora nyorole abana kuruoro bago cha baby attachment ngo nyorande korwa aso skuru ya Kisi Polytechnic na Korusirati abana host ni to chachi attachment ya abana ono bari baso gate ne bari ba apply ba go cha so ekero kuligerelia tari ebye kugusona chianga gaiga ase orgongoro garwa gusim ekendinga kyogodiri na competition
na bangi tole chifundi ande tingo cha goteba nga nimanyete gusona kubwa bari iskaria kiringa debe competition inengia egasi yawe kon because isa ko banga tuwa competition ni kera soko le gasi kesa tinde una client ya expected isenga chuma nyenga naye byo lakini kera mura abangi at least competition ni ko gerere mo korake waga ni gokora buya asoke yanga buya mono kubwa olionde omubwe
okay umetina boko nyabokia technology na nero ngo nyabotsenjere tuna na sense meri machine ilikuwa bete ko gochakera tari yero ubwate bonaga kerekende so manyinga eyugwa chakete gocha se goikira bonaga
aitu achagete ni machine yogo tacha ida na jichi alengo kurikari ajo technology ngo kande gochencha bintu ngo nyabochenchibere so bona igatu machine to wate chance to tumia kilo to tumia stage machine system
okay netora bwatera ka tora swaso mutemo komo kego to koirana ndo to gusanga mange memo no sano manchu mulyeria bigete seni Kendizi TV ningo to gente gusanga ime umurubere wesabali wonchereria asto gente gusanga no monchereria Eric oyo gende to gutumanya igoro yo boncherera bwayo kono manchu mulyeria tetora swaso mutemo komo kego to skatonyegera wera ntora segeke kekero bosyo elinde to gusanga amange.
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omuguzi.
Biwa Health Natural Herbs Clinic nenyagitari ya Chirenguma asokorwa obogwenya gotumika amaliogo yemete mbabwate abanyagitari na Dr. Gikonyo abakolingolia na kogwenya amaroire abuna arthritis oburoiro bweskari high blood pressure UTI ulcers asthma hemorrhoids fibroids prostate enlargement na gokwa endurume boigonkwena na bale amaliogo asabasacha bali achinguru cyabo kiranirense abasubati babwate omuchando bwokorora erangi na boigo oboroire bwerisangwa nayande amange babwate chimashini chekerero echichikolingolia amaroire eliokonyora obokoreri bwabo batarerekera litko asorosagirwa borwa Nairobi, Kisumu, gose Mombasa. Umerana n'abanyagitari kera litko lya Jumapili ya Sensemeli ya Ikonge asomo bagani o Millennium angenegeta seni kya mabuta ya Pebo. Kera litko lya Jumatatu ya Sensemeli ya Nyamira asomo bagani o Nyamira angene bengi ya Equity. Kera litkoria Jumanne imeyomo Chobosongo omubagani o Capitol irongo litangani room 117 naboko kwana na barabo gwetera ase namba yesimi ya 0722 300 630 gose 0788 313 910. Pure Health Natural Herbs Clinic. Your health is our priority.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Bwomogusi.
Manche muriyeri ndiko kwaligania asentunda ya kabere kinga twente gusanga emeyomoro buli bwese bali yoboncherya asitogenda kumurikira oboncherya obobosoni igegase mu Kibosongo ekatogenda gusanga no moncherya Eric oyogenda gutomanya amange igoro yoboncherya bwa konne ngo kwaligania naende elinde tabutogosanga ase obwamo konde Eric nabokora tatebi ya chi design kiri ogosona kyanga gayanchire kiki
Chi design cyane cy'ubusoma African attires Kiro African for men and for ladies Kiro African ibitenge alafu gusonandi kisuti gusonandi cyange cye counter suit ni cye president okubeka cyanga cy'inyangi cyose jumla paka kigona.
Okay. Aha, kingenda gukora amanya umwanci umurgererya ngam. Iga ase eduke yega ndiye takiriri yo gutumeka.
Eliye tari eduka yane ko kujya designs.
Aha. Ase kikwali charato garuka J design cyo taro kerete Eric designs.
Nyanje the family ya sana. Na the word J stands for GNS, yoro muswati yone. Karambia chake neliete J designs.
Okay. Kirikinde challenges kikiri ogo kigwetera aso woncheryo.
Woncheryo ngabwa the challenges. Lakini rende no kolemereria na gwituma mono. Singencho kera gento ngubwa te challenge kya. Ono tabete omuremereria. Abakonyora kwa byagwa kiresiko. For example, sisangira konyora lega usiki nyombe kitole nkiri cyo manyete. Neki abandi. Ikigane to comply na machiko na kwa kana kirenti mapema. Yagonyore ga assurance. Akona yabidi kutumia other means. Ndiro konyora maybe chigete customer yanga iri tukete kwa nyoriro. Akoreta igoro. Those are the challenges that
okay.
No
Ngo bakoteba nga chimashini chinyinga konyara mu gutumika gaigana estima chigotumika atima iti kuwa bire bakonyara challenge pia estima
alies na ringero gora ringa tebe challenges estima arengo but no talimo no muno bono mwako yokorita chaka estima yabere kunya kogenda kwerengake Kibembe ngo akanya sambi amanonga ese building yetore ntubwate backup iyo tunyate ko batego akanira sostima negenda ngo kanyaranga ntubwate backup endelea na kazi.
Okay. Ngoba ko tatebya bukare nga chi materials cyabo chinde nchiroro ko ikorwa Sensemeli isli atmetana umenye no kwenda kuyo yeri waso gutomana
ndire nkogenda sometimes umuswati ogenda akigenda alia twatwarira abasane ase ekiduka kiri ase tokwikoro so ndire mostly towaka mi twabatebi neke tutagete batubekere egari yatumugocha rusi.
Okay. Mbuya kiborororo kero mu gutwara owabwa amatobu ya net customer cyabo cyekiko supply ebintu
kende gyonsi terole sensei boikome shonga gutwara obwa amatobu ya n'abantu ndai gusuka because abangine turoteba obwa amatobu obwa mana ninche yaye sinone se kiduka kiri cyabosonga nanye nekerenta bwati abongo bakiresi nemba tebe supply no bitamba then I will sort later and I can say banya kongiye
Okay, angwa tatebya bukare nga kifundi cyabo icyo bwatabonaiga n'abantu kwabeto kwegeri ukaba koko bari chain akerekene ngora tole nga abasuni abange mbaroro maybe bakwegeri abantu lakini basi ni ko retain kikasto ekifundi cyabo kerekende mbose mikibuli orabe koko ba
biashara binde elindo faulo most pero what about colleagues make sure you pay them on time ngana ni agreement ya akaro chenga bya sinyira to wacha kunyara batobwa communicate ko cyasebali because nabara kumwanya abantu because kanye moyi wana ndikibya sana mwari go gotenyo ko ba nene nabwate chief budget cya nabwate family yae nenjira nere bangete so na expecting achwe sekiri cya yakolera umuti Chimokonya se family yae so for you to retain them pay them on time and wakane kulingana na muagreement kujoro chumo cha ndonoro you communicate otherwise kenga tebe balina chagete na baro ko 2018 no comment na mentire ndutayo chira ekero kurgerire ya Eric sinsanchiro rorabe ko konyoranga ebitamba ligori byakinire maybe ko yagete konye na lete yango nyene yanga yikwaya ligori ndro standard nero ligori ndro kubasonera ekende kero kwanyorire nga amagori ebitamba aberika gukina guseseme ri lining nakyo gocha gwakara customer cyago irinde tobasire none elia mabuta atira into mbia change kia magori normally what we do kera we atira nko communicate to research client ese bali ba pimere ko rumaga ego bid mokole na mo agree ono lio kocha ngaki yale siya kina na ko mate yayo into bia change ali ndo moi bwana na asota mu mise na sata ko mise moi bwana na ko gataka tiketi because unangege ke abanda bange Kenya kende nyonsi gakogora ra maitenga wikaba geni so ko erenga ande na manya kanye bitamba ya kini ranye kanyango sonera for example wasene chiruwe ngo chake wasene chiruwe soto bageni aske kurwari maite to wika 2500 ko nya kubwana aturgeria asense mende ko nyarole nga chi design inshoro ro ko nyaro monto akoro sense merie mitandao ocho tebyo musonere atimetinga kwanya ko nyare challenge chi design icho wana iga enga kitu ikira wana iga cyanga chinyinge to gusonana so mutandao chikorwa na ekere cya ro mutandao wana wana yanga mwengo na chega mtumeire bichakoro mutandao so manyana na expected tinya so kibuna akoleteke
na itunete
kerin tan kunyara igongo kane because tinde tingi tabe akora kibesa cya emete ebesa yo monto na bishiringi tachole tibesa yo ngo kerinda yo nyara ngo matebi tinde kunyara yo kunyara bwadi just kerin kunyara agree then we discuss then number of yanga yawe una expected
kerekenda Eric ensema yabo ngo mentoro bumanyi bwabo gusana gutumike mitandao
there's a app nere achire ko Pinterest most of abantu abange na ro bwate na baswati bakuru situ kichiru bakoro si babo design chiyomba nere to konyete nenche karende free time I go there na search ko inde kwenye nesha tinde to kuegera ko butura ya chile latest na lani korwa
lesem simu mitandao ngo tumekora se okonyara chi customer chao na
yes ngo tumiande ibwate cha account iber Facebook kunyoruka J Designs na TikTok bado J Designs. Those are the accounts ngutumire ku market ya biashara byanyu.
Tari raisio kunyora abantu bakwege na emitandao anene asokonyora chifundi chikubasonera kianga timetia ya sense mo yawo nkikiri gwakorera ali mbako muntu nabakwege no post design akwege ngai nabo kumusonera.
Mostly utaidwe kana sinchi yange mitandao kana na chisoni aningo chande na post ndio so mitandao so that ane clients kiri kudi na karakyo ndo wensi maja bana wacho kupimea ngabo na ndio ni kana kina kwa kana kwa ara ni na kwa ma kwegena
okay ngoboko wateringa mostly customer chao nkonyorole buna kurwa sense meri chikwaya kireke ninjora tebe akwa beriko gukora customer chao nali anjo naende barakorekera customer chinde
una na gotebi gasiga asa abantu bari kumyo karega store expect once we are satisfied but normally what we try at least 3 quarters abakorera gasiga satisfied bari boto tuwago tigara you try your best then challenge na boro mwagamba mwikera ndeta yoli perfect lakini kana mukugamba naye kare kala client yako ile gasi try to do ngana mnatari
aba emotion nere risko gali na chifundi ne chinkora ndime tinjora otayo mwanche muligereria kubwatikana ninganeyo
kawaida andons ni nche corona kinete na maite na chifundi neje nje ndo ndabo ngonya kwegerera nganche ndomya lakini nende kanyinda tebe we normally try one muna J Designs I always try kirani loko gani client so that into mana onyendo chetinda ikirani muna twaganeti manye nchirango kwanira yo boro ngende ntosinyana because mambe ninko ganeti
kerekede inki keliyo kuligerera chi customer chikoirera bamanya kuruka chifundi ngane chinkora
normally umuchando no lenga ochigete customer chumando cyabandi ko mucenche andi ko mucencha ono ibintu bya cinchi byabunga chifundi ne chinkora communication ise kobo akwezi kuwa na shida
nkonyarolenga kinerororo maybe totebe nayo koye chi materials sinde koro Nairobi nkonyarolenga nga kinerororo ubwate pressure totebe chinga kichiri chimiyiga abuna December iga chi holiday chiri konyaranga chi materials maybe cyanyori rugoika atimetinga cyuko cyugwakora erinde chi customer cyabonchi yachigwa.
Normally what we do na mnaona season tano chine season yechi nyangi chi launching chino chikwaya so kare cyanyorero na ande chigani cyangi because njira teyora apuze ne yange gwate function ni to ne yange le montapi mate individual I to work at the only to work for around 24 hours so that take care of your client.
Okay. Mbose mikiora rugochi asomwancho muligereria anene chifundi kiri kigo kinabonaiga na ndeni metinga mbaroro bakoligetero bwato kuganya kogo cyacyo bonchorera maybe buno bwabo.
Kelinga tebe. Egasi yo bonchorera yase obusoni. Nengia depending na ye fundi nakyo ko ira client cyao ko bakorera oyo gasina baganeti komiti ore kulingana neri tukolimo ngwana netako nyore yanga yae abinte biragero byako ko tuyari usiane ngene client otherwise yo beto ikirani yo nabo gosiye ke dokeri yao.
Okay. Amaro baga sama tukabusya nari yaya
kenda twabane ni muntu ndwesi ogofara biashara naga neti amu vufaga ego marurane nari ningani tu ari biashara binane gwetanya ani nimbo atu kwegene karende tono biyarande kole kulingana ne client cyane no kitagete biashara ngene.
Okay. Ante tukimeke kamera iri owaligani omwanchi omuliyeri kuligetiwa chisiko gali omwaligani asedike yega
omwanchi omuliyeri yangu kuira chinga kichiga kubakaribisha Sedika J Designs. J Designs kutoka somo cy'ubusongo ese building ya Towers 3rd floor na kelinga akwiranga ekerora kichego kolega S90 ndo kuyeya ndote mas to konyara kelinde nande mambi uigane nande.
Okay. Ndiyo mona sana asogosangana inte. Ndiyo mona sana mwanchi muligereria kwa biri ko gusangana inte kutoka cyage to morobiri gwikira bonega to ikiro moelio no gosemire ko rebna kwa bere ko kwimanya amange wetera omonchereria bweritko lia rero kurindu mwanchi muligereria abonongo korera omorobiri yiga tumera ne weekend astra to komera no monchereria nde elinda bikago semia amange. Wakwenda utugote sinsemo chichi mitanda, sinsemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Frida Kerubo, tuara obuligeria borobia.